So, yeah, looks like we found something. Oh boy. Oh damn. What is this? Shit, apparently this is bottom drive. Oh my god. Oh, it's original. Oh my god. Original K&H. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? We found ourselves, ladies and gentlemen, an original K&H. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the counterweight at? Probably there. Or not, there it is. It's like behind there. Oh man. So I gotta like itch. There we go. Oh, this is, God, it sounds like I'm fucking having sex or something. Wow, this thing's fucking amazing. Oh my god. The whole like panel is loose. Wow. Nice. Wow. This is absolutely amazing.